Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a general reading for Aquarius for the month of July. In this reading we will see the overall energy for the month, strength and opportunities, actions and advice, what are the key obstacles and what is the outcome. At the end we will also take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck, so watch till the end. As I said, this will be a general reading, guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Aquarius. What's the overall energy first? Overall energy for Aquarius for the month of July. Okay, let's see what are the obstacles or challenges that you might come across. Obstacles or challenges you might come across. Oops. Okay, what's the action or advice for you? What's the advice for you? What action do you need to take? What action you need to take? What is the advice for you? Okay, what are the strength and opportunities for Aquarius? So, alright, what is the outcome for the month of July? Okay, I will take both the cards because they both came together. Alright, so the energy for the month is, I feel like I see you have options and you are kind of taking time to choose which one you need to opt for. Okay, I also see that it can be, maybe for some of you, you are having two different projects among which you need to choose, and you are kind of thinking which one will work in your favor at the end. And for some of you in your relationship, you are kind of thinking whether to stay back in whatever situation you are in, or you are choosing among different options you have. Maybe you are planning to settle down and you may be having couple of proposals in your hand, and you are kind of taking your time to analyze, maybe by looking at the profiles or going detail, and seeing which one is kind of matching your frequency, your vibration, and kind of making a choice. Yeah, it's like you are trying to, the obstacle here is, I see you are trying to take the control of things instead of surrendering to the universe and trusting your intuition. Surrendering to the universe is, I'm not saying here that don't take any action and let the universe take it. No, it's not that. It's like you need to listen to your intuition, what your intuition is trying to say. Sometimes the things are not in our control. We can only put efforts, and ultimately whatever is return will happen for our highest good, right? So listen to your intuition, take some time off. If certain thing has not worked in your favor, it doesn't mean that the another thing will also not work in your favor, right? So you need to come out of that fear and see things from a different angle, from a different perspective, and listen to your intuition carefully. Take some time off and see what your heart is actually looking for, and then take an action towards anything. All right, because that is what the advice is, that whatever action you have to take, you need to be logical as well, not only emotional but logical also, right? So whatever, you have to be very clear in your communication. For example, if you are kind of stuck in making a choice in your relationship, so you need to be very clear with the person that what you are looking for in a connection. Okay, what is that which is acceptable and what is not acceptable, right? So you have to be very clear and very straightforward in your communication, but at the same time you have to be mindful that you do not hurt the other person, right? So wherever it is required, whatever is not acceptable to you, you have to be very clear about it. Be logical, because sometimes when we take things only at an emotional level, we kind of overlook the logical thing and later on we regret, right? So even if you are being emotional, think logically also, and then take a call, because there is no confusion. You are very clear on what you want. It's just how important, it is equally important that how you communicate, how much clear you are, how well you set your boundaries. Okay, so that is what you have to work on, and that is what the advice is. So if there is something that you are stuck in making the choice, and for most of you I feel there is a choice relating to the emotions, right, where there is a relation involved. Maybe for some of you, you are planning to get married and you have couple of proposals and you are not sure what how do you communicate, right? So you need to be very clear on what will be acceptable to you in the relation, what you are looking for, how how you are looking for the connection to be, what will be acceptable to you, what is not acceptable to you. So you need to be very clear about it, right? That is what the strength and opportunity is. So you are somewhere, I feel you are entering or moving towards that phase of your life which may not be the same which you have encountered before or come across before or have experienced before. It's something new and you might feel it is challenging. There may be some obstacles and something, something new. So you have to be ready to deal with the situation in a very clear cut manner. At the same time, again I'm saying that you have to be clear cut, but at the same time you have to be mindful of how you are communicating to others without hurting them. Sometimes even the simple thing might hurt the other person. That is not I'm talking about. I'm talking about certain actions we take or certain decisions we take or certain there is a certain way we communicate which is maybe disrespectful. So we have to kind of be mindful of our words or of the way we are communicating, but clear on what we want. Okay, so just be in a go-getter energy with a very clear intention, with a clear mindset towards what you're looking for, because that is what the outcome is. You are moving ahead in your life, so it's like you are going on a new path, which is again confirmed by the Knight of Swords, that you are going in a different path which is not same what you have experienced before, and that may have its own obstacles, challenges, fun, adventure, right? So you have to be very you have to be ready for that, because you are coming out of your subconscious fears to deal with the situation. Maybe, as I said, right, making a choice is a you are thinking a lot, what do we need to do, whatever I have faced before, is it going to happen the same thing? So you need to come out of your subconscious fears and move ahead in your life. That is what I see, Aquarius. I strongly feel there is for very few of you, it may be that you are moving ahead in your life for a long-term connection, and that is why you are feeling like what you should do, how you should move ahead, so yep. Unlock the magic within. So it's like you know what you want in your life. Just trust what you want, what you are looking for, and be ready for it. So it's like you have everything you are looking for. You need to trust yourself. You need to know that, you need to be confident that whatever will happen, I am capable of dealing with the situation or handling things. And it's like being confident, being honoring your own talent, and having faith in your own self, right? That is what the basic thing is. So that's the guiding message for you, my dear Aquarius. This was a general reading, so if you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.